How to edit video sound volume on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now you can upload a new video from here, or you can just choose from your drafts. As you can see right here, I already have this project. I'm gonna click on it. Now after you upload your video to CapCut, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. As you can see, go down and click on edit right here. After you click on edit, now you will find the volume option down here. Click on volume. Now as you can see, you can edit the volume very easy and fast. After you finish editing your volume, go here and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.